Hello.
Hello.
You say hello, Tom. Hello.
Hello, Tom.
Hello. Hello.
All right, wait a minute. I will just open this one.
This finished.
Yeah, wait a minute.
I want to draw. I want to draw some things.
Oh, later. We just finished this one and then we draw, okay? This is only short. Okay, so we are going just...
No.
What?
I want to draw.
You want to draw? What would you like to draw? What do you like to draw? Tell me.
Wait for me.
Okay.
Finish now.
Okay, so let's continue our activity this morning. Okay. All right, so Kenchi, this is oh, wait a minute, there's a yellow box. Okay, so this is activity letter D. Listen and write your answers. Then complete the story, okay?
For me.
Okay. What's that?
ABC.
Oh, that is an alphabet chart.
A, B. You see?
Yeah, I can see it.
A, B, C. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. How many letters are this?
This
One,
that
two,
that
three,
is
four, five.
26 letters.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. What animal do you like?
Oh, you put it closer. I cannot see it.
A unicorn.
Oh, that's a unicorn. Very beautiful.
What animal do you like?
I like a pig. I like a pig.
A pig? Where's the pig? Oh, the pig?
Yes, I like a pig.
Unicorn is beautiful.
Yeah, it's cute.
Yes. Very cute.
What are you doing? You might fall down.
Wait. I will pick you.
Okay, so now Kenchi, let's complete the story, okay? Look at the story in letter D. Can you see the numbers? Write the answer you wrote for that number on the line after it, okay? Okay, can you answer this one, Kenchi? Look at it.
You can see me.
Yes, I can see you.
I can't see my eyes.
Okay. Okay, Kenchi, so let's proceed to letter E activity. We are going to play a game, plural quiz. Do you know what is a plural quiz?
Yes.
Okay. So you just have to tell me the plural form of the words that you can see, okay? So the first one is foot. Now, what is the plural form of foot? What is the plural form of foot?
Feet.
Okay, feet is correct. How about photo?
Photos.
Photos. Okay, next. How about tooth?
Teeth.
Yes, next one. Dress.
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 Dress. Dress.
Yes, dresses. It's correct.
You can see me.
No, I cannot see you.
Why? It's all black.
Yeah, it's all black.
You can see me now. Wait.
Are you covering the camera with a ruler? I can see you now. Okay, so what is the plural form of man? What is the plural form of man? You can see me now? No. Okay, now what is the plural form of man?
I don't know.
The answer is man. Okay, you just have to change letter A to letter E. Oh, next one. How about hobby?
Hobbies.
Yes. How about box?
Boxes. Box.
Okay, boxes. That's correct. Next one is sausage.
Sausages.
Yes, that is correct. Okay, so now let's play a game one more time. Plan and present a game that they play at home or in the playground. Describe what you need to play it.
Close your eyes.
I will close my eyes. Okay.
You count to 25.
Okay.
You count.
1, 2, 3.
No, slowly.
Slowly?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
25.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Finish.
No, 25. 21.
Okay, wait. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
Open your eyes.
Okay. Oh, what's this? No, never know, 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 never know. Okay, wait a minute, Kanchi.
You go.
Wait, I will just get something. Oh, there's a lot of no, never know. Let's answer some questions here, Kanchi. Are there
Wait.
any... Okay.
You're not doing uncheck, please.
I can see
When
it.
I count to 20 and you will can see uncheck, okay? 1,
Okay.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
Okay.
17, 18,
Ulitin
19,
mo eh.
20. Oh, not up 8. Not up 9.
No, never know, never know, never know, never know, never know, never know, never know. There's a lot. Okay. So now let's have some questions here to answer. Number 1. Are there any balconies outside your house?
Yes.
How many?
1.
One.
No.
Okay.
1.
One only. Okay, now when you look out of your bedroom window, can you see any leaves?
Leaves? Wait.
Yes.
In my bedroom? Yes. I
Yeah.
can down in the playground.
Okay, next one. Would you like to go on a trip to an island?
No.
Why?
Because I'm scared of the shark.
You're scared of the shark. Next one.
Yes.
What was the last film that you saw?
Elsa.
Elsa and?
Anna. And it's 2.
They are two. Two kind of movies.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so just right. We are finished with the first lesson for tonight. Okay, now I will open one more lesson for you. Okay, wait for it. Still opening. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, Kanchi, what's the title for the lesson? Second lesson for tonight?
I don't know.
Can you read it, please?
Can't read it.
Okay, RBC.
Busy. Holiday. Right?
Yes, that's correct. RBC holiday.
What is busy?
Busy means a lot of people are doing important things.
Are you like the monkey song?
Again?
Are you like dance monkey song?
I don't know that. Can you
Monkey
sing
dance
it?
song.
Can you sing it, please, so I can know what song is that?
Oh, you can see on YouTube.
Oh, so our busy holiday.
The busy holiday.
Okay, so now, Kanchi, let's have activity letter A. Listen and draw lines and then complete the sentences. Okay, so number 1 question. This is Alex Mile. He's a famous film star. What does he like to do?
I don't know what he's like to do.
Yeah. Wait, Kanchi, teacher will just go to the restroom. Wait for me.
What is restroom?
CR or comfort room, okay?
I don't know.
I will just go to the bathroom.
Oh.
Okay, wait for me. I will just wee 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 wee. Kenchi,
Yes.
what are you doing?
I'm not doing anything.
Is that a sticker?
No.
What is it?
I don't like to tell you.
Why? I want to see it.
No, I don't like.
Oh, come on.
No.
Oh,
I said no, it's no.
okay. Okay, so now, Kenchi, let's do this activity, okay? So, listen and draw lines and then complete the sentences. So, this is Alex Smile. He's a famous film star. What does he do? So, look at the pictures, Kenchi. First one, what does he do?
Climb the mountain.
Very good. He's climbing a mountain. How about the second one?
Paint a wall.
Yes, painting a wall. Number 3.
Take a video.
Okay, take a video. And number 4.
Go on helicopter.
Okay, or ride the helicopter.
Yeah.
Okay, so now, climb mountains, correct? Paint, film a girl or take a video. And last one is fly a helicopter. Okay, so now, Kenchi, you listen to the audio file and then put a line on your correct answer, okay? Let's start.
Why?
8A.
You have to put a line on the correct answers, okay? This is very easy. It's just 4. Okay? So let's do this. Are you ready now?
No.
Oh, faster.
Wait.
Okay now?
No.
Tell me if you're going to start. This is very easy, okay? Don't worry. Can we start now?
Wait. In the what? Finish.
Ready now?
No.
Not yet.
Draw a dog first.
Oh no. I'm going to draw a dog.
Draw a dog first.
Oh, wait a minute. I will prepare my pen. Can I see it?
Look. Slowly. Slowly.
Okay, wait. I will draw slowly.
Slowly. Oh.
Okay, don't erase it. Oh, don't move it. Oh no, this one is wrong.
Oh. Wait. You just draw a dog.
Oh yeah, I can draw it.
You
Okay, here's the dog now.
Oh, it's ugly.
It's cute.
It's ugly.
Oh, do you know how to draw it? Can I see it?
Yes. No.
Oh, where can you draw it? Can you draw it in the paper or in the computer?
Wait, I don't like to draw.
Or if you don't like to draw, then let's answer the activity now. What do you want?
You draw a princess.
I will draw princess.
Yes, one more time.
What kind?
Do you want any princess? Do you want?
Any princess?
Yes.
Okay. I will draw. We finished drawing Snow White. We finished drawing Cinderella. We finished drawing
Elsa and Anna.
Yeah, we're finished.
Rapunzel, finish.
Yeah, we're finished too.
Mermaid, finish too.
Yeah, finished too.
And then we draw a boy.
Oh, I will just draw a castle.
No.
You don't like? Or what do you like to draw?
I think draw.
I will draw Olaf.
No, it's easy.
It's easy? No, it's hard.
It's easy to draw.
It's easy to draw. Okay. I will think.
I will. You will draw.
I will draw Hello Kitty.
No, easy.
It's easy?
Yes.
I will draw. Do you know who is SpongeBob?
What?
SpongeBob. Do you know that cartoons? SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob SquarePants.
No.
I will draw Doraemon.
No.
No.
Yes. I want to draw you is a tiny princess.
A
tiny princess.
tiny princess?
Yes.
Okay.
It's tiny.
It's
The frog
tiny.
is take her in to the family frog.
Oh, I know what you mean. That is Thumbelina.
Yes,
Do you know? Do you know who is she? She lives in a flower, right?
Yes.
Okay, I
A
will draw.
woman don't have any person. A daughter, a son.
Yes. So what's the story of Thumbelina? While I am drawing, you tell me the story.
Now you draw only draw Thumbelina.
Thumbelina. Okay.
Draw big.
I will draw big. No, this one is okay.
No, bigger.
Bigger.
Bigger. I will color it.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh, that's why you like a bigger drawing.
I will color it and you draw and color it. One, I draw colors pink in the dress.
Okay.
I like to draw Thumbelina pink dress.
Okay, this is Thumbelina now.
And then you color with me.
Okay.
No. I can color myself. You just color the hair.
Okay.
Finish now.
Yes, we are finished now. So that is Thumbelina.
Oh, it's not finished.
Why?
It's not finished.
What else do we have to color?
I will head, eyes. Somebody else is sad.
Oh, why is she sad?
Because he is tired. She's happy.
Now, where's the flower? Where she lives? Can you draw it for teacher, please?
No.
Now. Come
Only
on.
you draw.
No, you have to draw also.
No, I don't need to draw.
You need to draw also.
I don't need to draw.
Okay, wait a minute, Kenchi.
I will draw. Let me draw again.
Okay, you want to draw once again? What do you want to draw now?
No, I draw a flower.
Okay, who do you want to draw? Teacher or you?
You.
Me? Okay. Oh, you're drawing already. I will color it.
No, I color.
Okay, I will draw.
You color. You draw her mom, and you color her mom.
Mom! I will draw the mom.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so her mom is big. I will draw a big girl here.
Big woman.
Yeah, because her mom is big.
Like me and you.
Yes, you are Thumbelina.
Why?
Because you are small.
The baby is smaller than me.
Yeah, that is baby Thumbelina.
Tom is smaller than me.
So he is Thumbelino.
Thumbelino?
Yeah. When it's a boy, he is Thumbelino.
Thumbelina and Thumbelino.
Yeah. So this is the mom.
You call it.
Okay. So the clothes of her mom is color orange. Okay, this is very nice. And the shoes?
The shoes and her hair.
Yeah.
And a clip. And a clip. Look.
Wow.
And a clip.
Okay, wait. I will put a design on her clothes.
Wait, I draw a sun.
Okay, next
I
is
can
the
draw a
head.
sun.
Yeah, of course you can.
Sun, 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 sun.
Okay, so hair is color brown.
My color is beautiful.
Wow, very beautiful.
Oh, Mom is angry.
Yeah.
Why?
Mom is not angry. Mom is happy.
Mom is angry. Look.
Is she angry? Okay, I will change the face. Oh!
Look at mine.
Yeah, wait for me. I will finish this one.
Look at mine, Tom. It's very beautiful.
Look at my drawing too, Tom. It's very beautiful too.
It's my beautiful.
My drawing is beautiful too.
No, my coloring is beautiful.
Oh. Okay, it's very hard to draw. Okay, Mom's face is happy now. See, they are happy. Can you take the picture, Kenji?
Yes.
Did you save it?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay. All right, so Kenji, we are finished for our activity.
Do some magic.
Okay. Shannon, magic.
Look at mine.
Yeah, mine is gone. Oh, very nice. Okay. See? All right. Okay, so Kenji, we are going to continue this one again on Tuesday, okay?
Okay.
All right. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye.